Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So actually how to manage Google account. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the users and accounts. Because it is a Google account, you can also use this Google section, but I personally like the users and accounts, so let me pick this option. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So firstly, let me show you how to remove it. So let's tap on it. Let's tap on this two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And let's wait a second. And as you can see, we just got back to the users and accounts, and we cannot see the Google account, so it means that we just successfully removed it. So right now, in order to add account, we have to tap on add account. Obviously, as I said, you can do it using the Google account, the Google section, sorry. Here you have to pick the Google, obviously. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually that's all. This is how to add, remove, so actually how to manage a Google account in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.